You draw pictures during your drawing classes and color them with crayons. What change do you see at the tip of the crayon when you have finished coloring your picture? When you finish the coloring of your picture, you will find that the size of crayon tip is reduced. Where do the colors in the picture come from? The colors in the picture come from the crayon. You write on a slate. When you wipe it with your hand becomes white. When you shake the duster after wiping the blackboard, little white particles fly out from it. They are particles of chalk. On cutting a block of wood with a saw, small particles of wood, which we call sawdust, fall on the ground. Similarly, we see filings of iron or brass when the metal is cut with a file. Coal can be pounded into a powder. Wood, chalk, iron, coal are all made up of very small particles. You have seen small particles of wood, iron or coal. Each of these particles is made of millions of minute particles of that material. We cannot see these minute particles with the naked eye. Solids like gold, iron and wood, liquids like water, milk, kerosene and petrol, and gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide and cooking gas, all substances are made up of minute particles. When a bottle of perfume is opened, the fragrance spreads all around. We cannot see the particles of the perfume, but the spreading fragrance tells us that its particles are spreading in the surrounding air. Let us study about the great Maharishi Kanad. Maharishi Kanad put forth the opinion that substances are made up of very minute particles. Maharishi Kanad was born in the 6th century BC at Prabhas, Prabhaspattam near Sorati Somnath, which is in the state of Gujarat today. He was originally named Uluk. He spent his days writing books of great learning. Later, he was given the name Kanad, which means one who lives on particles of grain gathered from the fields. It was his opinion that all things in the living and non-living world can be classified into 7 categories. He proposed the theory that everything in the world is made up of small particles. He called these particles Pilav. Pilav means the smallest of small particles. We shall study about the particle form of substances that dissolve in water. Many substances like salt, sugar and alum dissolve in water. What happens when a solid dissolves? When a solid is dissolved, it spreads throughout the liquid as these particles are so small that we cannot see them. Let us turn to activity. Take some water in a glass. Add to it 2 or 3 crystals of potassium permanganate and observe them carefully. You will see a purple color in the water in the upper part. Where did this color come from? The color comes from the crystals of potassium permanganate. We see that the crystals of potassium permanganate at the bottom of the glass become smaller and smaller in size and finally disappear. Particles of potassium permanganate separate from the crystals and slowly spread throughout the water. That is why the water gets a purple color. However, these particles are so small in size that we cannot see them. Now, let us study matter and its properties. Objects are made of substances. What are substances made of? Substances are made up of minute particles. You can see and touch substances. Whatever you can see, touch or feel is called matter. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Air is matter. Substances are made up of matter. The matter in different substances is different. Matter occupies space. Let us turn to activity. Fill a glass with water to the brim. Drop a small stone into the glass. What do you see? Some of the water spills. Why did that happen? The stone took up some of the space in the glass. Some water spilled out. Can you guess how much space the spilt water has occupied? Some water spilled out because the stone occupied some space in the glass. This demonstrates to us the property that matter occupies space. Matter has mass. Activity. Place a small piece of a brick in one pan of a balance and a big piece in the other. The pan with the bigger piece of brick goes down because the quantity of matter in it is greater as compared to that in the smaller piece. The quantity of matter in a substance is called its mass. The two activities above show that matter occupies space and that matter has mass. Let us study about substances and objects. Some substances in nature can be used in the same form in which they occur. We do not have to make any changes in wood or coal to use them as fuels. To make a table or a chair from wood, we have to make certain changes, such as cutting the wood into pieces of proper shapes and then joining up the pieces. We get a cupboard or table from wood after giving it a specific shape and structure. In other words, we have to use substances to make objects. Objects. Objects have a specific shape. Their parts are put together to form a specific structure. Objects are made of substances. Clay is given a specific shape to make a pot. A bottle is made of glass. The tip and the cat with which you play tip-cat are both made of wood. The pot, the bottle, the tip and the cat are all objects. They each have a specific shape. Soil, glass and wood are substances or materials. They are used to make objects.